welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. Today we have an update from NLU Jodhpur regarding the vacant seats. So those who have already written Clat 2023, some of you people might have got allocation in various NLUs under various counseling procedures. But this is an update from Jodhpur for those candidates who did not get any allocation under various counseling procedures. So let us have a look. So various NLUs are releasing vacant seats in their own websites. So for convenience of our students, we at Abhyaas Lawprep has created a dedicated page where you can get all updates of vacant seats under one page. So just Google NLU vacant seats so that a page will appear. Here is the link. Click on this link. A dedicated page will be appearing here. So in this page, we will update whenever an NLU releases its vacant notification. Almost most of the NLUs have given their vacant seats, and today we are going to talk about NLU Jodhpur. So click on the link here. This is the data. Let us look into the data. So total 2 vacant seats are available under NLU Jodhpur and 2 vacant seats is under general category. So the rank was not specified by the particular NLU, but it is said that as per the notification, the intake will be purely on Clat rank basis, merit basis. So the last date to apply in this particular NLU is 9th July 2023 in non-refundable deposit of 1000 rupees. And here is the application link. In this particular page, here is the link. One link is for deposit application fee and another link is for application. First, click on this deposit link. Dedicated SBI collect page will be open. In that education category, you search here National Law University and the filter state Rajasthan, as Jodhpur comes under Rajasthan. So here search for Rajasthan, NLU Jodhpur will be appearing here. After clicking here, under payment category, click on other payments and fill your name, mobile number, email ID and purpose of the payment. So payment against vacant seats, application fee for vacant seats, and amount 1000 rupees and remarks if any, and individual name, mobile number, date of birth, email ID, and click on here and image captcha and next, so that you will be redirected to the payment page. After paying, you will get a receipt. You have to download the receipt and click on apply here. This will be appearing vacancies in undergraduate course general category. Click on apply here. So a dedicated page will be open. Application for varied seats under general, because we have vacant seats only in general category, and we have to fill Clat roll number, your all India rank, name, father's name, email ID, phone number, and the fee receipt number. On the receipt, you will be having a transaction number. You have to rewrite this transaction number here and your photo, upload the Clat scorecard and upload your sign, submit. After submitting, your candidature will be successfully registered with NLU Jodhpur and they will given the update whether you have selected or not. So this is the notification for all future vacancies. So if you want to apply for Jodhpur, this is the opportunity in front of you. Utilize this opportunity. For any doubts, at the end of the video in the description section, we will keep our website link and as well as our phone numbers. You can always contact Abhyaas Lawprep for any details. Thank you all of you.